Welcome to the Scrape module tutorial. First, log in with user ID and credentials. Now, to begin, please navigate to the Scrape section located in the sidebar. Here, you will find an overview of essential metrics displayed on the top cards, including the total number of scrapped items, active requests, rollbacks, disposed items, this month's activity, and the total asset value. Next, you will notice a search filter that allows you to refine your results based on status, scrap ID/asset requester, location, and date sorting. This functionality ensures you can efficiently manage your scrapped items. As you scroll down, you will see a comprehensive list of all scrapped items. By clicking the eye icon, you can access detailed information about each item, and the View button offers an alternative method to do the same. Additionally, we provide a rollback option for users who need to reverse a request submitted in error. Simply provide a valid reason for the rollback. And the item's status will be updated to canceled. To create a new scrapped item, navigate to the Inventory tab and proceed to the Asset Lifecycle section. Here, you can update the item status to Scrap. Once you select Scrapped, please complete the required form and submit it for processing. The same process applies to accessories. Simply navigate to the Accessory tab. Follow the same steps and submit it to be scrapped. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.